Today we're going to learn the names of the farm animals. In this lesson, we're going to use the 3-period lesson. It's called the naming, the recognizing, and the recalling. Place the tray on the top of the left and then take the animals out. This is a cow. A cow, that's right. This is a pig. Say pig, that's right, pig. This is a pig. This is a duck. 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 Very good. Can you show me where is the cow? That's right, that's the cow. Can you give me pig? Very good. Can you put the duck over here? That's right. Can you put the duck back? Well done. What is this? This is a cow. Good. What is this? This is a pig. Very good. Or you can simply say, what animal is this? Or what farm animal is this? This is a duck. Very good. Today, we have learned the name of cow, pig, and duck. Now, can you help me put the animals back on the tray? Can you help me put the tray back on the shelf where it belongs?